Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is an air fryer grill that's from a brand called GeekChef. So if you guys remember in the past, I reviewed another product from this brand before, which is basically an air fryer oven. This one is an air fryer grill, so that way you can grill stuff in here, which is pretty cool. But here's basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, there's basically a box inside a box. So let's take off this box first. Alright, so once you guys take out the box inside the box, this is what the package looks like. So you can see right here, they do show you guys what the product looks like. And they do provide guys some specs and features that's on here. So it basically works as air fryer and indoor grill, 7 smart cooking function. It has 450 degrees rapid hot air, so that we can get an all-around searing option. If you guys turn to this side, they also provide guys with more specs and feature about the product. So obviously the product is actually pretty heavy. Let me actually take everything out and put it right here to show you guys what it looks like. Right, so when you guys first open up, this is what it looks like inside. So the first thing inside, they provide guys this option. And right underneath that, this is what the package looks like inside. So they also provide guys this cleaning brush option that you can use to clean the grill, and also this side as well. But once you guys take off this layer, we do have the actual product underneath that, so let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So you can see how the product is all nicely wrapped up, but let's take off the wrapper first. Alright, so this is what the product looks like when you guys do take it out. Let me actually bring it a little bit closer to give you guys a better point of view of the product. Alright, so here is basically what the product looks like when you guys bring it up close. So I'm assuming for the top part right here is the ventilation option when you guys do use it. Right here in front we do have the brand logo. And right underneath that we do have a bunch of buttons. It's kind of hard for me to show you guys in this point of view. Let me actually bring the camera a little bit closer. Alright, so here is basically what a close-up view looks like right here. So we do have the power button, the timing option, temperature setting, air crisp mode, dehydrate, pizza, broil, bake, roast. And for grilling option, there's low, medium, high, or max. And right here we do have the manual option. And right here we do have a start and stop button. And when you guys look from far away, here is basically what the product looks like. So the first thing I'm going to do is probably peel out the tape on the side, so that way it can open up. So I'm actually do that first. So let's peel out the tape on the side first. Once you guys do that, if you guys want to open it up, this is what the inside looks like. So we definitely have like the air frying option on top right here. And also for the inside right here, you do have the option to open up and take it out really easily. You guys can use one hand to do it. And this is basically like a splatter screen option. And that way it won't get all like the oil and everything on top right here. But once you guys want to put it back on, just snap it on really easy like this. And it's all set. They do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it and how to change the different plates on here for like the grilling option or the air frying option. And inside we do have the different plates like I mentioned. So if you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So this one right here is basically the air frying option. If you guys notice on both sides, there's a handle for you guys to carry around really easily when you guys are done. And then here is the bottom. And when you guys feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material. And I believe the material that's on here is like a non-stick coating. So that way when you guys are frying stuff in here, it should be easy for you to clean. So that is the air frying option. Right underneath that, this is probably like the oil tray or something. So when you guys put it underneath it, all the oil can drip right here, which is really convenient, especially if you guys are grilling stuff using the grilling plate that I showed you guys earlier. But same thing for the material that's on here. It is also like a non-stick coating. So that way when you guys are using it for cooking stuff, you can wash it really easily. And the cool thing about this drip tray option right here is the fact that if you guys want to fry stuff on here, maybe if you guys want to make like pancakes or something, you can definitely have the option available. So this basically would be the bottom layer. And you just want to put like the air frying option on top. Just like that. Or if you guys want to use the grilling option, you just want to put it on side like this. And that way you can grill stuff inside right here and all the oil will drip into the bottom plate. So I'm actually bringing the camera a little bit closer to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys put in the grill plate inside, here is basically what the product looks like. So if you guys ever need to lift it up, you can just lift it up really easy like that. But you see it's actually really cool how to give you guys the option to use the air frying option or the bottom plate right here or the grilling plate to grill stuff on here. So this is what the inside looks like. Now let me close it back up and show you guys what the outside looks like really quick. Alright, so if you guys close it back up, when you guys need to carry it around, it's actually really easy. You basically want to hold the bottom part right here and also the back part right here. They do give you guys the option to carry around really easily. But when you see the back part right here, the cable you have to plug in to activate and use the product. And also the back right here, you can see we do have the ventilation option. So that way when you're cooking stuff or grilling stuff in here, all like the steam or the smoke will come out from the back. And then here is basically what the bottom part looks like. You can see they have a bunch of these like non-slip material. So that way when you guys put it on the table to cook stuff on here, it won't move around. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm going to go plug it in to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys actually turn it on. And it will probably test it out to show you guys how it works. And it will come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here you can see we do have the product all plugged in and set up. So let's turn it on to show you guys how to use it. So what you're gonna do is press the power button and that will turn it on. So once you guys turn it on, you guys want to select on what you guys want to use. So there's the air crisp option, dehydrate, pizza, roast, bake, broil, and there's also the grill option right here. So you guys have the option of max, high, medium, and low. And it does show you guys the temperature when you guys click on it. So that's max, that's low, that's medium, and that's high. And you also have the manual option as well, if you guys want to do that manually. So you just click right here to change the temperature, and right here for the time. And then once you guys are ready to start using it, you basically want to press the start button. If you guys want to stop it or if you guys want to pause it, you have to click on the same button right here. And obviously if it's the first time using the product, you do want to wash all like the plate and everything before you guys use it. So if you guys open up, you guys can see how I should wash everything inside already because it's still a little bit wet. But once you guys wash it, you guys can start using it. So for this test, I'm basically going to be using the grilling plate right here. And we're going to use the other plate right here for the oil and everything will be dripped in the bottom. So first thing, I should preheat the grill and then we'll grill some like beef on here. I think we'll just do medium. 350 should be fine. Let's click on start. If you see right here, it shows you guys that's preheating. Once it's done preheating, it'll tell you guys to add the food in. And also, if you see right here, it does light up. So that way you guys know it's actually working. Alright, so if you see it changes from preheat to add food. So now we can add the food in. And the cooking time is 20 minutes, but you guys can adjust it based on your own preference. So if you guys want longer or shorter, or if you guys want to adjust the temperature, you guys can do that as well. But now I'm actually add the food in. Alright, so I got some marinated beef, which is bulgogi. Let me actually add it on. So I'll do like 3 pieces for now. Alright, so I think that should be good. Let's close it back up to let it cook. Alright, so I just increased the temperature a little bit to 400 degrees so that way it can cook a little bit faster. Alright, so it's been around like 6 minutes now. Let me actually open it up and check on it again. So you can see it's actually sizzling a lot right now. But I'll leave it a little bit longer to get that like kind of burnt mark on here so that way it tastes a lot better. But you can see so far the product definitely works pretty well. Alright, so now it's been around like 8 minutes, so it should be done. Let me check on it again. So now that we cooked it for around 8 minutes, you can definitely smell the actual barbecue or like the bulgogi kind of smell. And when you guys kind of flip it, you can definitely see that it's all cooked. But if you guys want to get a little bit more of like that kind of burnt mark on here, you can definitely leave it a bit longer. And you see the spatter screen on top definitely is really helpful. So that way we can minimize like, the oil or like, the sauce from spraying on top. So once you guys finish cooking in here, then you guys can take out the plate and wash it. Alright, so now that cooled down, let me actually take it off and show you guys what the bottom layer looks like. Alright, so you can see all the grease and all the sauce that fell down on there. So all I need to do now is bring this over and wash it. So you can see the product definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product, definitely see actually does work and actually works quite well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now the end question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't want or have one of these, that obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.